Hello. Today our topic is histology of esophagus. Histologically, the alimentary canal consists of four coats from inside to outside. These are nothing but the mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa and serosa. In the similar way, esophagus also consists of these four coats, in among which first coat is nothing but the mucosa. So mucosa is the work of the esophagus is only convey the ingested food to the stomach. When no food is passing, its lumen is collapsed into a branched flattened shape. The food is sufficiently rough, hence mucous membrane consists of stratified squamous epithelium. In man and other mammals, this thick protective lining is of non-keratinizing variety, but it becomes cornified in those animals that swallow rough vegetable matter, for example, cattle, horse, and rodents. The epithelial lining is deeply consists of papillae of the underlying lamina propria. In esophagus, the lamina propria is layer containing less lymphatic tissue than in other parts of the digestive tract. The muscularis mucosa is a sinus layer absent from the upper region of the esophagus. It is composed of smooth muscles running only in longitudinal direction. It is also much thicker here than in any other gut segment. The second layer is nothing but the submucosa. It is a prominent coat formed fibroelastic tissues. It contains blood vessels, nerves, and in middle and lower portion some glands are also present. The third layer is of esophagus is muscularis externa, which consists of two muscle layers. One is inner circular and outer longitudinal muscle layers. In the upper one third, the two muscle layers are of striated type, while the middle third shows both smooth and striated muscles, while the lower part has only smooth muscle. The last and uppermost layer is known as adventitia. It is the outermost coat. Only after the esophagus passes through the diaphragm, this coat becomes serosa. So, below the diaphragm, the outermost layer of the alimentary canal is called serosa. Otherwise, in the esophagus, it is known as adventitia. So, these are the four layers present in the wall of the esophagus. Besides this, glands are also occur in the esophagus. These glands are esophageal glands proper and esophageal cardiac glands. Both these glands secrete mucus which is carried on the surface epithelium by short ducts. The esophageal glands composed of tubulo-alveolar type. They are highly branched and scattered in the mucosa, may reach up to the submucosa. The esophageal cardiac glands are named after similar glands occurring in the upper or cardiac region of the stomach. These are branched tubular glands con- confined as a rule to the lamina propria. They are found in upper and always in the lower part of the esophagus. So, in the four layers, glands are also present, which is helpful to secrete mucus substance and carry them on the surface of the epithelium and becomes food is smooth. So the diagnostic feature of esophagus are nothing but it consists of folded mucosa, then stratified squamous epithelium is also seen, then papillae of lamina propria is present, the thick muscularis mucosa is also present with longitudinal fibers, and in the mucosal region glands are present. These are the diagnostic feature of the esophagus.